Hi, want to know how to use VPN on your Google Pixel 9 Pro? So, as you can see, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone. Then we would need to open this tab, name of which is Network and Internet. Click on it, and here we can immediately see this last tab, which is named VPN. So by clicking on it, here you can see built-in VPN by Google, or we can click on this plus and add some VPN profile that you need to have. So let's today take a look on the VPN by Google. Let's click on it, and here, as you can see, I'm already using the VPN, and now here is it how it looks. You can also read some description which is currently shown on the screen, and this is it. Basically, the VPN is just the same connection, but it locates your device in another region or even country. So if we would like to turn off the VPN, we would need to click on this slider, or to turn it on, we will need to do the exact same thing. Here you can also see that VPN is connecting, and in a while it will be connected. This is basically it. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.